Ditch the pitching grind. Use AI to land clients instead. What if I told you there's a way to automate your freelance marketing? Welcome to this tutorial on how to automate your freelance marketing using AI tools. As a freelancer, you know how time-consuming and frustrating it can be to constantly pitch for new clients. But what if you could use AI to automate this process and focus on what you do best, delivering high-quality work to your clients? In this video, we'll show you how to set up an AI-driven marketing system using tools like Jasper and Notion. The first step in setting up an AI-driven marketing system is to define your niche and ideal client. This is crucial because it will help you to create targeted content that resonates with your audience and attracts potential clients. To do this, you can use tools like Google Trends and Keyword Planner to research popular keywords and topics in your niche. For example, if you're a freelance writer, you might research keywords like content marketing or copywriting. Once you have a list of keywords, you can use them to create a buyer persona that outlines the characteristics, needs, and pain points of your ideal client. This will help you to create content that speaks directly to your target audience and addresses their specific needs. Once you have defined your niche and ideal client, you can start creating content that resonates with your audience. This can include blog posts, social media posts, email newsletters, and more. To automate this process, you can use AI tools like Jasper, which can help you to generate high-quality content quickly and efficiently. For example, you can use Jasper to generate blog post ideas, outlines, and even entire drafts. This can save you a significant amount of time and help you to produce more content in less time. Additionally, you can use Jasper to optimize your content for SEO, which can help you to increase your visibility and attract more traffic to your website. Another important aspect of automating your freelance marketing is to set up a lead generation system. This can include opt-in forms, landing pages, and email marketing campaigns. To automate this process, you can use tools like Notion, which can help you to create custom forms and workflows that capture leads and follow up with them automatically. For example, you can create a Notion template that includes an opt-in form, a landing page, and an email marketing campaign. This can help you to capture leads and follow up with them in a timely and efficient manner. Additionally, you can use Notion to track your leads and analyze your results, which can help you to refine your marketing strategy and improve your conversion rates. To take your AI-driven marketing system to the next level, you can integrate it with other tools and platforms. For example, you can integrate Jasper with Notion to create a seamless workflow that generates content, captures leads, and follows up with them automatically. You can also integrate your marketing system with other tools like ClickUp, which can help you to manage your projects and clients more efficiently. Additionally, you can integrate your marketing system with social media platforms like LinkedIn, which can help you to increase your visibility and attract more traffic to your website. By integrating your marketing system with other tools and platforms, you can create a powerful and efficient system that helps you to achieve your marketing goals. One of the most important things to keep in mind when setting up an AI-driven marketing system is to track your results and refine your strategy accordingly. This can include tracking your website analytics, email open rates, and conversion rates. By tracking your results, you can identify what's working and what's not, and make adjustments to your marketing strategy to improve your results. For example, you can use tools like Google Analytics to track your website traffic and conversion rates, and use that data to refine your marketing strategy and improve your results. Additionally, you can use AI tools like Jasper to analyze your results and provide recommendations for improvement. Another important aspect of automating your freelance marketing is to personalize your content and messaging. This can include using AI tools to generate personalized emails and messages, as well as creating customized content that speaks directly to your target audience. For example, you can use tools like Jasper to generate personalized email campaigns that address your leads by name and speak directly to their specific needs and pain points. Additionally, you can use AI tools to create customized content that resonates with your target audience, such as blog posts and social media posts that address their specific interests and needs. To get started with automating your freelance marketing, you'll need to invest in the right tools and platforms. This can include AI tools like Jasper and Notion, as well as other platforms like ClickUp and LinkedIn. The cost of these tools can vary, but they are generally affordable and can be a valuable investment in your freelance business. For example, Jasper offers a free trial and a monthly subscription plan that starts at $29, while Notion offers a free plan and a monthly subscription plan that starts at $4. By investing in the right tools and platforms, you can create a powerful and efficient marketing system that helps you to achieve your marketing goals. Finally, it's worth noting that automating your freelance marketing is not a one-time task, but rather an ongoing process. This means that you'll need to continually monitor and refine your marketing strategy to ensure that it remains effective and efficient. By using AI tools and platforms, you can streamline this process and make it easier to manage your marketing efforts. For example, you can use tools like Jasper to generate new content and messaging, and use tools like Notion to track your leads and analyze your results. By continually monitoring and refining your marketing strategy, you can ensure that your freelance business remains successful and profitable. Thanks for watching this tutorial on how to automate your freelance marketing using AI tools.